Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain experiment 10, that is truth table verification of logic gates belonging to analog and digital lab of third semester E&E diploma. The aim of this experiment is to construct and verify the truth tables of NOT, AND, OR, NOR and NAND gates. The materials required for conducting this experiment are digital IC trainer kit, OR gate IC 7432, AND gate IC 7408, NOT gate IC 7404, NOR gate IC 7402, NAND gate IC 7400, patch cords for the connections and IC tester. Now we will go through the pin diagram and truth table of all logic gates one by one. The first one is AND gate. AND gate is a basic logic gate which has two or more than two inputs but only one output. The operation of AND gate is similar to logical multiplication. It is a 14-pin IC. IC 7408 is a 14-pin IC in which pin number 7 is connected to ground and pin number 14 is connected to VCC. Pin number 1 and 2 are inputs and pin number 3 is the output. The Boolean expression for the AND gate is given by Y is equal to A into B. So this is the truth table of AND gate. It gives output only when all the inputs are present. If any one of the input or all the inputs are absent, the output of the AND gate is 0 or the output is at logic low state. So the next basic gate is OR gate. It has two or more than two inputs but only one output. The operation of OR gate, the OR function is similar to that of binary addition. So the Boolean expression for OR gate is given by Y is equal to A plus B. IC 7432. This is the pin diagram of IC 7432 OR gate. It is also a two input OR gate. Pin number 1 and 2 are inputs. Pin number 3 is the output. Pin number 7 is connected to ground and pin number 14 is connected to VCC. The OR gate does not give any output only when all the inputs are absent. If any one of the input or all the inputs are present, the output of the OR gate is at logic high state. So next one is NOT gate. NOT gate is also called as an inverter. Its operation is called inversion operation or complementation. That is, it changes a logic level to the opposite level. So this is the pin diagram of IC 7404. It is a 14-pin IC in which pin number 7 is connected to ground, pin number 14 is connected to VCC. It has only one input and one output. Here pin number 1 is input and pin number 2 is the output. The Boolean expression for NOT gate is given by Y is equal to A bar. When input of the NOT gate is 0, it gives a logic high output. When input is logic high, the output of the NOT gate is logic low. So NOR gate. NOR gate is also called a universal gate. It is the combination of OR gate and NOT gates. It has two or more than two inputs and only one output. So IC 7402 is a 14-pin IC in which pin number 7 is connected to ground, pin number 14 is connected to VCC. The pin description of this is quite different as compared to the AND and OR gates. Here pin number 2 and 3 are inputs, pin number 1 is the output. The Boolean expression for NOR gate is given by Y is equal to A plus B whole bar. The NOR gate gives output only when all the inputs are absent. If any one of the input or both the inputs are present, the output of the NOR gate is 0. NAND gate. NAND gate is also called a universal gate which has two or more than two inputs but only one output. It is the combination of AND gate and NOT gates. The Boolean expression for the NOT gate is given by y is equal to a into b whole bar. This is the pin diagram of IC 7400, that is NAND gate. It is a 14 pin IC in which pin number 7 is connected to ground, pin number 14 is connected to VCC. Pin number 1 and 2 are inputs and pin number 3 is the output. The NAND gate gives output when any one of the input or both the inputs are absent. If all the inputs of the NAND gate are present, the output of the NAND gate is 0. That is, it does not give output only when all the inputs are present. The procedure for conducting this experiment is as follows.
This video, I will explain how to verify the truth table of NOT, NOR and OR NAND gates. The materials required for this are digital IC trainer kit, ICs, IC 7400, 7402, 7404, 7408, 7432, patch cords for the connection and multimeter. This digital IC trainer kit consists of clock 1 Hz, 10 Hz, 100 Hz, 1 kHz, 10 kHz, which are fixed and variable frequencies. These are generated by a monostable multi-vibrator. It also has built-in voltage sources with an output voltage of 6 volts DC and a maximum output current of 1 amperes is provided, and also a output voltage of plus or minus 12 volts DC with a maximum output current of 0.5 amperes is provided. This is power button. Plus 6 volts output voltage delivers necessary VCC to all digital circuits, while plus or minus 12 volts DC delivers necessary V plus and V minus to all the analog circuits. In order to feed mono pulses, a debouncer switch is also provided. This trainer has 4 IC sockets with 16 pins each. Care has to be taken while inserting IC into the IC socket. Now the socket is in open position. When we press like this, this will be in closed position. These are the input switches and these are output indicators. The logic input state can be either low or high, whereas in the logic output states, LED will glow when output is high. Precautions to be taken while conducting the experiment are: first thing is we need to check IC used for the experiment whether it is good or bad by using the IC tester. Secondly, we should connect ground terminal and VCC terminal to the respective socket pins as per the IC configuration. Before we rig up the circuit, we need to check the continuity of patch cards by using multimeter like this, or directly we can connect the input to the output like this. If LED glows, probe is in good condition, else it is out of order. Now we will verify the truth table of IC 7408. It is a 2-input AND gate. This IC has 14 pins. Pin number 7 is connected to ground. Pin number 14 is connected to VCC. A and B are input terminals and Y is the output terminal. This IC has 4 independent AND gates. This is the IC 7408. Here there is a notch. In order to identify the pins, this notch is the reference. So this should be kept like this. Notch should come to our left side. We have to count the pin numbers starting from this 1, 2, 3 like that up to 7. Next to 7 is 8 and this is pin number 14. And this is the truth table of AND gate. It gives output only when all the inputs are present. Now I am inserting this IC 7408 in the IC socket. While inserting the IC, this notch should come at the top like this. Just close this. Now IC is inserted properly. This IC socket has 16 pins, but we have inserted only 14 pin IC. Therefore, we have to count the pin numbers 1 to 7 left and from 8 to 14 right. According to this pin configuration, pin number 7 is connected to ground and pin number 14 is connected to VCC. So according to this pin configuration, I am connecting pin number 1 and 2 to the input terminals and pin number 3 to output terminal. Now switch on the IC trainer kit and apply the different combinations of inputs. When both the inputs are 0, the output is also 0. When A is 0 and B is 1, the output is 0. And when A is 1 and B is 0, the output is 0. When both A and B are 1, the output is 1. This is the truth table verification of AND gate. Now we will verify the truth table of OR gate IC 7432. This gate also has 14 pins. Pin number 1 and 2 are inputs and 3 output like that. Pin number 7 is connected to ground. Pin number 14 is connected to plus VCC. This IC also has 4 independent OR gates. This is the truth table of OR gate. It gives output when any one of the input or both the inputs are present. This is IC 7432. This is notch, pin number 1 to 7, 8 to 14. Now I am inserting this IC into the IC socket. According to this configuration, I am connecting the OR gate. Pin number 7 is connected to ground and pin number 14 is connected to plus VCC. Pin number 1 and 2 are input terminals. Pin number 3 is connected to output. Now switch on the IC trainer and apply the different combinations of inputs. When both A and B are 0, the output is 0. When A is 0, B is 1, the output is 1. When A is 1, B is 0, again output is 1. When both A and B are 1, the output is also 1. So this is the truth table verification of OR gate. This is IC 7404 NOT gate. It has only one input and one output. Like that, 6 independent NOT gates are available here. Pin number 7 is connected to ground and pin number 14 is connected to plus VCC. So this is the notch. This is pin number 1, pin number 7, pin number 8, pin number 14. So let's coming to the truth table of this. When we apply a logic low input, it will give a logic high output. When the input is logic high, the output is logic low. Insert IC 7404 into the IC socket. Pin number 7 I am connecting to the ground and pin number 14 to VCC. Pin number 1 is connected to input terminal. Anywhere you can connect. And pin number 2 is connected to output terminal. switch on the IC trainer. I am applying the input. Now the input is 0, output is 1, that is LED is glowing. I am changing the state of the input, that is 1, output is 0. Now we will take NAND gate, that is IC 7400. It is a 14-pin IC. It has 2 inputs and 1 output. In this single chip, it has 4 independent NAND gates. Pin number 7 is connected to ground and pin number 14 is connected to VCC. This is IC 7400. This is the notch. This is pin number 1, pin number 7, pin number 8, pin number 14. Coming to the truth table of this NAND gate, it is completely opposite to that of the truth table of AND gate. NAND is the combination of NOT and AND gate. Now I am inserting the IC 7400 into the IC socket. According to this pin configuration, pin number 7 is connected to ground and pin number 14 is connected to VCC. Pin number 1 and 2 are inputs. Connecting pin number 1 to the input, 2 to the input terminal, and pin number 3 is output. Switch on the digital trainer. Now I am applying the different combinations of input through these switches. When both the inputs are 0, 0, the output is 1. When A is 0 and B is 1, output is 1. When A is 1, B is 0, output is 1. When both the inputs are at logic high state, then output will be at logic low state. Now we will consider NOR gate, that is IC 7402. It is also a 14-pin IC, but compared to AND gate, NAND gate and OR gate, the pin configuration of this is quite different. In this case, pin number 2 and 3 are inputs and pin number 1 is the output. Like that, 5 and 6 are inputs and pin number 4 is output. As usual, pin 7 is connected to ground and pin 14 is connected to VCC. So the truth table of this NOR gate is completely opposite to that of the truth table of OR gate. Here, when all the inputs are absent, then only it gives output. If any one of the input or both the inputs are present, the output is 0. This is IC 7402. This is the notch. This is pin number 1, pin number 7, pin number 8, pin number 14. Now I am inserting IC 7402 into the IC base. I am connecting pin number 7 to ground, pin number 14 to VCC. Here pin number 2 and 3 are inputs. Pin number 2, I am connecting this to the input terminal. Pin number 3 to input terminal and pin number 1 is connected to the output. Now switch on the IC trainer. Apply the different combination of inputs through these switches. When both the inputs are 0, 0, the output is 1. When A is 0 and B is 1, output is 0. When A is 1, B is 0, the output is 0. When A is 1, B is 1, the output is 0. So this is the truth table verification of NOR gate. In this video, how to verify the truth table of NOT, NOR and OR gates. The materials required for